Every real estate investor has a story they don't post, a deal that looked perfect on paper, until reality showed up. Today is that story. Not to scare you away from property, but to give you a framework that survives real life. The listing looked clean. Strong rent, easy tenants, a neighborhood that felt safe. The spreadsheet showed profit, so the investor did what most beginners do. They trusted the story more than the stress test. Real estate doesn't fail because you bought a building. It fails because you bought weak demand. When demand is weak, you don't set the rent. The market does. Second, operating costs. Repairs, turnover, maintenance, insurance, costs that don't care about your plans. Beginners underwrite the mortgage. Professionals underwrite the building's behavior. Third, fragile financing. If the deal only works at one interest rate, it's not an investment, it's a bet on a perfect future. Fourth, weak tenant systems, screening, leases, enforcement. Fifth, no exit plan. If the deal only works if you sell fast or refinance, it's fragile. So here's the fix. 5 locks. If one lock fails, you walk. No negotiation with the math. Lock 1, demand. You want places that stay rented without begging. Simple test. If you had to cut rent by 10%, would it rent fast? If not, demand is weak. Lock 2, rent reality. Don't underwrite the best case rent from one perfect listing. Underwrite what the market actually accepts, with vacancy and discounts included. If it only works at top dollar rent, it's lying to you. Lock 3, operations and reserves. A property is a machine with parts that wear out, so you fund reality up front. Maintenance, turnover, capex, admin. Hope is not a reserve. Lock 4, stress test financing. Rates up, vacancies up, repairs hit twice. If one normal scenario wipes out your margin, the deal is not safe. Lock 5, exit options. Strong deals have more than one way out. Sell, hold, refinance. Options are what make the deal durable. Here's the 60-second deal room test. 1. Who rents here and why do they stay? 2. What's the true net after real costs? 3. What breaks the deal if life gets messy? If it survives stress, it's real. If it doesn't, you walk. So that's the real estate case file. Why perfect deals fail, and the 5 locks that keep you safe. If you want more film-style breakdowns on real estate and building wealth through assets, subscribe and comment. Which lock should I go deeper on next? Demand, rent reality, operations, financing, or exits?